Hello guys, today we are going to be discuss about how to download and install the Oracle SQL developer. In our previous session, I explained basics of SQL, what is SQL, why we have to learn, right? This is, we have to start to develop the script using SQL, okay? Now I'm going to be tell you step by step how to set up the Oracle SQL developer. Open the Google Chrome. Here you have to search with Oracle SQL developer download. So here you will be get different site. Here you can open Oracle website which is mentioned SQL developer downloads. I'm going to be open this link. If you want to download this SQL developer software inside Oracle site, you should have account. If you don't have any account, you have to create yourself. Already I have an account, so that's the reason I'm going to be download through Oracle. Okay, so here you can find Windows 64-bit with JDK 11 included. This is the right one. You can select this version. Okay. So click on download. Once you have to click on download, it start to download here. Because already I log in using my account, that's the reason automatically start to downloading. If you don't have account, if you didn't log in anything, it will be get the pop-up which is enter the username and password. After only the download process will be start. Until unless you didn't log in, the process has not yet started. Okay, so the process is going on. Anyhow, already I downloaded the software. Go to downloads. Here you can see already I downloaded SQL developer. It is the zip format. I'm going to be extract this file. Click on extract all. It will be take few minutes. You can wait until complete this process. So now completely the file has extracted. So now what you have to do, you have just copy this one or else you can cut it, no problem. Go to downloads, here you can cut, go to C drive, go inside program files, here you just paste it, click on continue. So here you can see SQL developer, that folder has moved successfully inside program files. Go to inside, open SQL developer. Here you can see application. This is the app file. Okay, have to double click on this one. Okay, SQL developer, which is application format type. Double click on SQL developer. It start to installation. The installation process has started here. Okay, so now successfully the Oracle SQL developer software has opened. Fine. Here you can see, click on OK. If you want the reporting, you can click on OK, or else you can uncheck this checkbox, click on OK. This is fine. Okay, this is the welcome window.